Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. It's been a while I have created a video. There are a couple of reasons for it. First, I was in India enjoying my paternity leave, so I decided not to work and when I say work, not to do anything at all, right? So I was literally in India enjoying my break, and then you can see with my face and right, I gained a lot of weight. Other reason I was busy writing my second book, so I'm so happy to announce my second book, AI Ready Data Blueprint, is available within O'Reilly platform. It's an early release, so you can able to go and read about this book. In this book, we are actually talking about how you can build that data foundation for your generative AI applications, what all things goes, what all thinking behind going into building those AI ready data foundations. So definitely go and review this book. I'm sure you will get tons of knowledge, not from me, just but other my colleagues like Kian and Shrikant and Harsha. They have a lot of experience working and building the data platform for the AI applications. So with that, welcome back. Today I will be going and talking about one very interesting blog which I recently learned about, and I thought like that's really cool. And if anyone who's into the solution architecture role or data engineering role or anywhere you have to go and draw an architecture diagram, you're gonna really like it. So being a solution architect, always like every time I have to go and build an architecture for the customer to have them understand how the solution flow works, right? And it takes a lot of time, to be very frank. Like creating those professional grade architecture diagrams are very time consuming for sure, and definitely you need to go and ensure you will be using right naming nomenclatures, you will be having right icons and everything as such, right? So those are the very tedious job, and again, based on the tool you will be using, whether you will be using Lucid, you will be using the Draw.io or anything as such, that's changed, right? How you will be building your architecture. It's not very consistent across platform. So I was kind of looking around and see how I can able to use or easy way for me to go and build those architecture diagram, and then I came across with this really great blog by Joel, Varun, and Tunic. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering your name. My apologies in advance. So they wrote really good blog, and I can put this blog into the video description, and also I can put the link of my book in the video description as well. But in this blog, what we're doing is technically we're using the Amazon Q CLI and MCP server to create an architecture diagram. So what you need to do is it's very simple. There are a couple of prerequisites. The first one is, of course, you will be looking to install the MCP server. Once you're done installing the MCP server, you will be installing the GraphVidge, and then you will be installing that. You will be writing the MCP server, right? So it is as easy it is, right? They have provided everything you need for you to go and work upon. And once you're done with writing, once you're done with building this one, you just launching your Q CLI. If you're not aware, the Q CLI is more of a command line interface to work with Amazon Q. I'm not sure if I have built any video around the Q CLI or working with the Q CLI, but if you're interested to post in a comment, and I will create a video around how you can go get started with the Q CLI. So once you have a Q CLI up and running, right? Let me put my thumbnail here for you to showcase how the Q CLI look like. Okay, this is a Q CLI. Let me make it. Let me zoom in a little. Control. So you typing Q, and then once you have the Q CLI installed, it will be kind of trying to find that MCP server. So if you see here, I already have this MCP server available. One is for the diagram, other one is for the document. So it will be, one is looking for AWS icons and everything as such, other one is going through the AWS documentation. Why it is important? Because this way it will be following the well architected principle when designing that architecture for you. Once done, you have to, it's very simple. So here you have to go and they have provided a bunch of prompt. So let's say they're asking create a diagram for the simple web application with an application load balancer to EC2 instance and RTS database, etc. So you just simply go and copy this prompt into your Q CLI and boom. So it will be going through a thinking process. It will be asking allow you to, it asking, hey, can I go and perform a search against the documentation? You have to just trust it. So once you're done trusting it, it will be going again multiple steps. It's going through all the documentation. If you see here, it's going through the user guide, best practices, everything in between, and then it's generating that diagram for you. So yeah, it's very I found it's very helpful. I'm working for my other use case, and I just simply provided the prompt, and it was so really intelligent enough to understand what I'm trying to build and literally build what I was thinking or what I had in mind. Other part is it has followed the well architected principle, so it put all those best practices around the security group. We had to put all the best practices around having the resources into the public and private subnet, more around the security, as well as how the traffic will flow from the user to the application and backward. So I really liked it. So let me go and see it. So it's showing it's created this web architecture. So let me open this web architecture. It's in. So let me go and show you here. So if you see here, it just created this one, and yeah, so it's very nice, very clean, very beautiful architecture is get created, right? So hopefully you liked the video. Please do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now I'm back, so I will try to make more such videos. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Take care.